I will present how to create fully dynamic environments using GitOps on the Timoni platform. First, I need a Git repository where I will create files that will contain definition of my new environments. I can create a new repository locally in Timoni or use any other Git repository server. I have created a new local repository in Timoni called GitOps. I downloaded and cloned it to Visual Studio. Inside the repository, I created two directories called env-active and env-not-active. The names of these directories are optional. I have planned that the active environments will be kept in one directory and the inactive environments in the other, so that by moving the environment manifest file between the two directories, I can easily enable or disable them. Inside the env active directory, I created an additional directory called WP because I want to create a group of environments that will contain WordPress. Inside the directory, I create a TOML file with the name of the environment that will be automatically summoned, and inside I write the definition of the environment. I have already prepared an identical file that is located in the env non-active directory. I can copy this. The file contains the type of our manifest and a list of 3 elements that are needed for the environment to work. I also upload a file with the domain definition. In summary, my environment will have 3 elements: MySQL and WordPress from an external repository, and a domain element. In Visual Studio, I make a commit of the changes that I made. Then in Timoni, in the Environments tab, I click on the Settings icon where dynamic environment sources are configured. As the repository, I choose GitOps. And as the directory, I point to env-active. After a while, I can see that Timoni has found the environment manifest file in the specified location and immediately created a new dynamic environment to which I can go. If we look at the list of elements, we will see that there are 3 elements inside the environment that we defined. We wait for our containers to start. Since it is ready, I can click on the URL. It looks like WordPress has responded to us. Now I can add a new environment. Create a new file, for example, WP stage. Now I will copy the definition of the development environment. inside I will make modification. I assign a different domain file and change the name of the WordPress element. Then I do a commit. And I go to the Environments tab where a new environment was immediately added. In this way, by making any changes to the environment manifest, I can control all environments without clicking on the user interface. I can only use the web panel for monitoring purposes. If a developers now want to make a modification in the web interface, they will get an error saying that the environment is automatically controlled. However, it is still possible to clone environments, which allows the cloned environment to be manually controlled from the interface. Thank you for your attention.